Hi everyone, good evening. So, in this video, let us try to understand what are all the ways that we can add JS to our HTML page. Okay. So, I have three files here. One is .html, one is .css to add styles, and one is .js to add our JS. Okay. But before using the JS file, let's try to understand what are all the ways. Okay. The first one is adding JS inline. The second way is internal, and the third way of adding JS is external. Okay, so these are the three ways that we're going to explore. Okay, so if I come down here, I will add the HTML, now HTML code. Okay, the first one is nothing but first suppose I will give a button here. I will add a text inside. If I go here in the document, I can see the element. But for now, it is just a markdown. I cannot do anything with it. It is not interactive. So that is where JavaScript comes into picture, right? So this is one way of adding JS to the HTML tag. That is inline. So inside the tag itself, you will add your JS code. Okay. So I have added an event listener here. So what are event listeners? Event listeners are event listeners help you to interact with the elements that we have. Or suppose we have this on click function. What it does when I click on this button, right, it will do something. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to display an alert message. Okay, so what have we done here? We have added an event listener. So what is that? On click of this button, we want to display this alert message. So I have added interaction to this button right here. Let us see. If I go here and refresh and try to click, I can see the alert message displayed on the screen. So that is the first way of doing it, but this is not ideal because in real-time applications we'll be having huge lines of code. So adding respective JS inside the tags is not the right way of doing it because it will become messy. The code will become messy and it will be unmaintainable. So we need another way of doing it, that is the internal, that we'll look into in the next video. Bye.